Hello, Stellar XLM holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Stellar XLM price update, and I'm also talking about technical analysis of Stellar. That what will be the next move of Stellar XLM is in the future. The price of Stellar will give you profit or loss. We discuss everything about Stellar in this video shortly. So guys, this is just 2 minute video. Don't miss any second of this video for better understanding, guys. Anyways, also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos about crypto market. Right now price of Shiba Inu is Stellar XLM. Now Shiba Inu is trending, a lot of people buying, a lot of people want opinion about Shiba, so that's why every time I'm talking about Shiba. This video is just for Stellar XLM holders. The right now price is about XLM is about 0.342793 USD dollar, and unfortunately from yesterday, from last 24 hours, you can see the changes of Stellar is going in the lows, guys. So I'm sorry for that, but I believe that very soon Stellar price will again positive, guys. So don't take it serious, guys. It is just a temporary dump yesterday, same like a Shiba. What, the last 1 day and the last 1 day Stellar, these both coin falls, and for both, what, in a previous time also Stellar and Shiba Inu price will highly pump. That's why now they dump, because short term investors decide to sell. That is the reason behind the falls, guys. So now possibly that after 1 day, after 2 days, the price of Shiba Inu will again start pumping, guys. So just hold, never decide to sell, guys. That is just temporary dump. You can see here, oh my god, just you can see if we check the latest update, so you can see gradually Stellar start pumping, guys. Same like that Shiba Inu also gradually start pumping, guys. So just hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.